Bahada. Oho! Tumama yung suntok. Dating champion. Mataas pa rin ang boses. Yan po si Referee Ayaneta, kaibigan ng Cordoba kontra Bahada. Si Cordoba po ang tawag sa kanya, El Tecnico. Makikita po natin kung technician nga ba si Cordoba o hindi. Ang ganda ng kanyang trunks. May pagka-gladiator ang style ni Cordoba. At si Bahada naman po, wearing the black trunks with a yellow trim down the side. Bahada looking for the home run. Maaga pa tayo, 4 rounds na ito. We're only in the first round, but he's looking to throw some power shots. Hindi lang niya natamaan si Cordoba. Cordoba spearing Bahada with that left jab. Ganon din si Bahada. Siya yung pumapasok, no? Si Bahada is the more aggressive of the two. Yun. Tama-tama yung left jab ni Cordoba. Pasok na pasok. And another left hand coming from Cordoba. He's got that reach advantage at ginagamit niya yan. 69 inches po ang kanyang wingspan compared to 66.5 for Bahada. Kita natin, mahaba. Mahaba ito si Cordoba. And he continues to throw that left jab, circling away from his opponent.
Maganda ng footwork na pinapakita ni Cordoba. Hindi lang maganda ang kanyang suot-suot, pero yung kanyang fighting style. Talagang deserving of his nickname, El Tecnico, so far. Ewan ko lang kung nakakatatap ng suntok ito si Cordoba. Malalaman po natin as his fight rolls on. Bahada has a knockout in his record.
Tandaan po natin si Cordoba has a little bit of a weight advantage. He weighed in at the super bantamweight limit of 122. At si Bahada naman po is 119.4. Nice right hand coming from Bahada. Tusok yung kaliwang jab ni Cordoba, and he's working that jab perfectly. Oh, nice right hand coming from Bahada. Right straight, connecting. Babawi naman si Cordoba, taking that right swing. Di tumama. Bahada is now able to stop those jabs from entering. He's holding his gloves very high. Tumama yung kaliwa ni Bahada, coupled with that right hand. Ito, mataas yung depensa ngayon ni Bahada. He just missed with the left hand. First win is Lord Cordoba from the Glenford Fitness Boxing Gym, Taguig City. Magandang counter left hand. Galing kay Bahada. Oho! Tumama yung suntok. Sa midsection, might have been a solar plexus punch. Bahada's not gonna get up. Tapos na ito. What a punch! Solid shot.